Good evening and welcome to the review shows. Today on the review shows we're going to be reviewing the Russell Hobbs 3-tier food steamer. It's a 3-tier food steamer with 9-litre capacity, stackable baskets for easy storage, and a rice basket included for steam cooking rice. So we're going to open it up now and have a look. We have a lid. There are 3 baskets. Another basket, that could be for the rice. And our base unit. That's it. So we'll get rid of that. There's a timer on the front. Did we get an instruction booklet? Yes, we did. There it is. Okay, so that's on there. So we're going to cook and steam some fish and rice today. So fill the base unit with fresh cold tap water, never above the max mark. Oh, there's the max mark. So you can see that on there. So let's fill it up. I'll keep back a little bit of water for the rice. So that's about halfway. Does that go on there? Yes, but the other way. So we'll plug this in. Take all that off first. Right then, rice. Let's see about rice. Cooking rice. Oh, here it is. Add the dry rice and water to the rice bowl, which is that. It's labelled there in the picture, D. Place the rice bowl into the bottom steaming basket. So these are stacked backwards because of the sizes. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. So place the rice bowl into the bottom. Fit the lid on the steam. Add the dry rice and water first. No, we didn't do that, did we? So let's do that first. Add the dry rice. We're using basmati rice, basmati, which is naturally gluten-free. So I've added an absolutely ton of rice there, probably too much. I'll add some water to it. Give that a bit of a swirl. Hopefully that'll puff up. Place that in there and place on the lid. Now let's see. Spilling water everywhere. Let's see how long the fish is going to take. We got tuna and we got salmon. Salmon, 7 to 9 minutes, and steak fish, which includes tuna and swordfish, etc., 7 to 9 minutes. So the rice is going to take 15 to 20 minutes. So we'll start the rice off first. So we'll turn the power on, get rid of that, and we will put the rice on for 20 minutes. So the rice is going now for 20 minutes. It should start heating up. So I'll come back to you in 5 minutes. Okay, we've had about 5 minutes now on the timer, which I can't see from here. Just about. And as you can see, it's steaming like mad and bubbling away there. So we're going to prepare some of the salmon and tuna ready to go, because that'll take 10 minutes. So when there's 10 minutes to go, I shall put this in on top, on the next layer. We're only going to be using the 2 layers. I'll put the 2 fishes together. This is 2 salmon boneless fillets, which we're going to cook. And this is yellowfin tuna loin. Oh, he's in. I don't know how people can eat this raw, but they do. So when that gets down to 9 minutes, we shall put it in. We're just coming up to 15. So this is the Russell Hobbs steamer. I'll go through some of the things you can do in here. You can do broccoli, green beans, carrots, cabbage, asparagus, courgettes, sprouts, cauliflower, sweet corn, potatoes, and also you can do boiled eggs, poached eggs, chicken breast, salmon round fish, flat white fish, steak fish, and mussels and king prawns. So a good variety of stuff you can do in here. As we say, it's 9 litre capacity. And you should never let it boil dry, so we'll keep an eye on that. I think we got plenty of water in there, because the timer does go up to, I'm not sure, hang on, let's try this side. The timer does go up to 60 minutes, so you could super steam something for 16 minutes. Okay, we're just coming up to 10 minutes now, so we're going to put the fish into the next sized bowl. We're going to drip all over our rice. So now we're going to push this on. Ooh, rice is looking nice. Nice rice. Our next layer. And that's got 9 minutes to go. Let's have a look at the box, see what else it says on the box. 60-minute timer with auto switch off, turbo steam ring for fast creation of steam, and 2-side water inlet for easy refill. So if you need to top it up, because you can see it's going low, you don't have to take it apart, you can just trickle the water into these little inlets. This is a Russell Hobbs model. And it is steaming away quite nicely. So I'll come back to you just before it finishes and we'll have a look. Okay, welcome back. it should be dinging soon when it finishes. It looks like the salmon has changed colour in there. We're all ready to check it out soon. Just waiting for that ding. See, we have an extra pot, so we could have added another layer as well. But we've only got the two things to cook. So you're just waiting now for it to count down, and we'll see what it looks like. And we have Drinking Bird there. The original Drinking Bird toy. He's just about to have a drink. Maybe we'll get the catch here. Having his drink. Who knows? Oh, there we go. So that has turned itself off now. You can hear it cooling down. So we're going to have a look. Oh wow. Ooh. I'm going to put these salmon and the tuna on the plate so you can see that it is well steamed and cooked. And hard to get out. It is very hot. And the tuna stuck together. Should have probably brought tongs for this. As you can see, they're nicely cooked. And then we have in here the rice, which is also nicely cooked. Look at that. Nice fluffy rice going all over the fish. And as I said, I probably did too much, because there is a nice lot of rice there. The rice was cooked in 20 minutes, and the fish, the salmon and the tuna, if we take the lid out, that should all fit in. The salmon and the tuna were cooked in 7 to 9 minutes, but we put it on for 9 minutes. So we'll try a bit of the rice. Really well cooked. And now the salmon. That is gorgeous. Another bit of salmon. And now the tuna. That is delicious. So there we have it. Steamed rice, salmon and tuna using the Russell Hobbs 3-tier steamer. So thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on the review shows. Bye.